As we know, each formal document needs to be written in a specific format to fulfill its requirements.
Therefore, we need a professional format template in which we make a complete project plan.
The purpose of this format is to assist us with an error-free plan that covers all aspects of planning, which includes tasking, scheduling, budgeting, tracking, and reporting. However, project management dashboard templates are also being used for tracking and monitoring purposes.
Here are the 9 reasons why project planning matters.
1. It clarifies the process and activities that will produce the project outputs and deliverables. 2. It gives output that enables us to estimate properly and define the output and scope of a project. 3. It enables us to visualize the entire project and see the interdependencies between the activities. 4. It helps to show who does what task, when, and forecast required resources. 5. It provides milestones for tracking the project progress.
6. It enables us to baseline and properly track the project progress.
7. It enables the agreement of the all-important live dates.
8. It helps to properly communicate with stakeholders. 9. It reduces risks and defines risk mitigation strategies. Thanks for watching.
Please hit like and subscribe to the channel.